a 80s classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics, and one we don't see too often either. 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer 4x4. This particular vehicle sold new in Texas, spent the majority of its life in New Mexico up until 2020, until it made it to the Midwest here. So solid vehicle, southern vehicle. Underneath the hood, 360 V8 or 5.9 liter. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille headlights. I do want to mention high intensity discharge headlights have been added, as well as that light bar above the bumper, as you can see. The hood on this, I did notice the paint is pimpling on it, as you can kind of see there, whether it's been repainted or wasn't prepped quite right. I do want to mention that the paint still has a nice shine to it. It's not that it looks terrible. Just want to let you know that it is pimpling on there. And I didn't notice that on the other panels of the roof or anything like that. And you'll be able to see the still pictures, so you can get a look at this vehicle from every angle. Close-ups, undersides, interior, engine bay, like I said, up on the roof. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And if you have any questions, call 507-386-1726. Plenty of tread left on these tires, and date coded 2021. So tires are good on it. Those appear to be the original stock wheels that would have came with. And as we go down this passenger side, I want you to pay attention to these lower rockers. You can tell that this vehicle was not a Midwest vehicle that was getting beat up by salt and snow and what have you in the winters up here. So look at those lower rockers. In the still pictures, you can be able to see the bottoms of the doors from the underside shot in the still pictures. A few spots back here, you know, where the paint's been chipped away just from little stones or pebbles or what have you, which is kind of interesting because guess what? There's no rust forming there. It's not starting to corrode or rust. Are missing some paint here, but it shows you how solid those lower panels are and haven't been painted over to hide anything like that. Interior also in nice shape and a wine color with the complementing gray and wood grain exterior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Wood paneling also seems to be nice shape, which is complete 80s look on this vehicle, no doubt about that. By the way, the 360 in it is fuel injected. I want to give you the heads up on that. Few parts / accessories that will come with this. There's a bottle jack, spare tire hanger, mount for the rear, this Jeep organizer that does have some miscellaneous belts. Looks like we could have some filters, service manual. I'll put that back in the vehicle. That's going to go along with it. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Rear window power does roll down. You're going to see pictures of that down. Pictures of the cargo area in the rear. Again, every angle. There'll be over 120 pictures of this vehicle online. If you like these older Jeeps or Grand Wagoneers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And again, up and down this driver's side, looking around those wheel wells, lower rockers. Not a bunch of corrosion, rust. Again, a few rock chips in the paint, but you can see how solid that is. And again, interior is very nice. Odometer is a 6-digit odometer. Reads 114, 624. But get a load of this interior. Again, extremely nice shape. Not much wear. It's a kind of a cloth leather combination, it appears. Headliner, as usual in this vintage, it is sagging in areas. We do see that kind of common on these mid to late 80s vehicles. Not the end of the world. All right, power windows and locks up here. As you can see, the power windows do work. As again, 80s vehicles, sometimes it's a little slow, but they do their job and get up and down. Power seats, both sides. Of course, a Grand Wagoneer back then. Pretty loaded up vehicle. And it bolster seats. Not worn bad at all. Nice color to them. Tilt column. I think we ought to fire this up. Here's those miles it's talking about. 114,624. So this is a 6-digit odometer. Fires right up. Fuel gauge coming up. As you can see, that was a cold start. Wouldn't expect temp to be up. We have oil pressure and battery. Clock even working. Aftermarket Sony stereo that is working. Switch with a transfer case right here. 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. Heat and AC controls. Power window switch is right here, and if you'd like to see that working, that would be easy enough to show you. Of course, roll it down so you can flip that tailgate down. Door closes very nicely. Sounds good too. Receiver hitch and light wiring if you want to pull anything with this. All right, let me slip up to the front. We're going to get this hood open. I want to show you the engine bay. And then, as usual, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it goes down the road. Hood popped. Give you a good look at the hood liner there. There it is. 360 V8, smooth runner. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There is a battery disconnect right here. Or when it's in storage or in between drives, you want to shut that off. Definitely a smooth runner. 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer 4x4. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1989 Jeep Wagoneer, wood grain and all. These are very capable Jeeps. 4x4 capabilities, comfort for the whole family, an early SUV if you will. An 89 not early, but an excellent SUV. This is an automatic on the column. Our speedometer is working. Our temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. The oil pressure is 60 psi, and the battery's charging about 14 volts. We have a Sony stereo on the dash with remote control.
Not ignored, like new treble trailers for
The AC is blowing ice cold in this truck. Those vents are down below, so you can aim some right at your feet. You can aim some up towards the top. Very comfortable cloth and leather combination. Bucket seats in the front with fold down armrest and bench seat in the back. Factory horn is working as it should. Braking is nice and smooth. Steering is easy. Overhead there is a sunglasses storage compartment. It's giving me a compass and an outside temperature. Very nice features to have in 1989. This Jeep corners nicely. It doesn't lean much in the corners. Very capable Jeep Wagoneer from 1989. Take a look at all the pictures of this vehicle at uniqueclassiccars.com.